sometimes the most painful feeling is not loss. It is the feeling of becoming someone you do not recognize anymore. Okay. You notice your old habits fading, your old dreams shifting, your old motivations changing, and you start to wonder, why don't I feel like myself anymore? But what if this is not loss? What if this is reconstruction? God does not destroy people to start over. He rebuilds them from the inside. When God changes you, it often feels uncomfortable because growth always disrupts familiarity. You are not being erased. You are being refined. The reason it feels strange is because old versions of you cannot survive in new levels of purpose. Certain mindsets must end. Certain attachments must loosen. Certain identities must dissolve. Not because they were bad, but because they were limited. God is not interested in keeping you small. He is interested in making you whole. Rebuilding is not gentle. It removes what is unstable. It challenges what is weak. It exposes what is unhealthy. But it also strengthens what is real. And the parts of you that remain are the parts that matter. Your character deepens. Your perspective expands. Your values mature. And suddenly you realize you are not losing yourself. You are discovering who you actually are. God rebuilds through experiences, okay? Through relationships that teach, through failures that humble, through silence that matures. Okay. You may not enjoy the process, but the result is necessary. God never rebuilds without purpose. He does it to increase capacity, to carry more responsibility, to handle more impact, to live with more meaning. The old version of you could not sustain what is coming. So God upgrades your foundation first. If you feel disconnected from your past, that is a sign of growth. You are not meant to remain the same forever. Stagnation is not faith. Transformation is God is shaping you into someone who can survive future blessings without losing humility. Yea, someone who can face pressure without breaking, someone who can love deeply without fear. Rebuilding feels like confusion, but it leads to clarity. It feels like loss, but it leads to alignment. It feels like ending. Again, but it is actually beginning. Trust the reconstruction, where God is not replacing you. He is preparing you, and the version of you that emerges will be stronger, wiser, and more grounded than ever before. If this message touched your heart, write amen in the comment section.